can make this at my house though. I can. Here's the dough. Roll it. Little butter. You gotta melt the butter. Splat it on there like that. And then take the cinnamon and sugar like this. Very simple.
That's it.
That's it. Hey guys, happy Vlogmas day. What's today's day? The 8th? The 8th. Vlogmas day 8. I woke up late today. Actually, I woke up late because I stayed up last night editing. But y'all, so I got 2 videos going out today. A sit-down video and then a vlog. So, yeah, we're going to Primark because I need to get something out of there. And I don't know, but I don't know if like that's it for today. So I guess I was just like, at first I wasn't gonna even bring my camera, but I was like, I don't know if this might be the only place I might be going today. So I might as well bring y'all out and see. They might have decorations and stuff. London, they little places they be real cute. Like they little decorations be cute. Hopefully I get to go in a little area before I leave. It's like this little area that they have like pretty Christmas lights, like pretty Christmas lights. But if I don't get to go there this time when I come back for holidays, I'll do it then. But yes, I just wanted to make this intro, and I'll talk to y'all once I get to the store. I didn't want to wake up today because my eyes are kind of like this eye right here. Yesterday I used this Morphe eyeliner, and it was kind of like it was creamy. But it was kind of like, I don't know, it wasn't like the Laura Mercier that I had showed y'all. The Laura Mercier wouldn't go on real smooth, but I don't know, I poked myself or maybe like something from the pencil. But this eye right here has been like irritating me since last night. Like I just keep itching it. And I remember since yesterday, I was having a hard time with that eyeliner. So, it's a car right next to me. So yeah, I just wanted to come over here. Okay, that's a fancy. Just this t-shirt, a scarf, and my little jacket. So yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all once I get it. For one thing, I'm just getting a bunch of other stuff that we didn't come for. But we did get a Christmas tree because I need a Christmas tree, period. But it's small, but it's just enough for us so that I could decorate. And then I got these little drinks, these little green drinks, like a smoothie type of thing. But them things, it's these little cakes, they so good, but I don't even want them in the house. So, look at this one, he getting bad stuff. We got enough bad stuff on that shelf, and he getting more bad stuff to eat. So yeah, but they didn't really have any cute Christmas decorations in here, like the tree. The tree is already small, and so it's like, okay, there's one thing that we have a small tree, and then cheesy decorations, that's what we're not gonna do. So hopefully we're able to find, we might have to go to another store and get decorations from there, but we did get a tree, so I'm happy about that. So yeah. Yeah, so we made it back from the grocery store, or from Sainsbury, and I'm gonna try this drink that I got. Let's see. It's supposed to be for energy. Strawberry, cherry, apple, guava, whatever that is. Flaxseed seeds with the vitamins. You want some hand sanitizer?
I'll do it in a minute. That's the HMO.
It's definitely, it's not. It's, I don't know, maybe because it tastes too sweet. Some tastes too sweet to me, then it tastes fake. But, well, you know what? I'm not gonna know, because when I make my smoothies actually taste good. And I really use that. I use baby apple juice, water, and just fresh frozen fruits. So maybe it's not fake. But it tastes good though. I just wanted something like fresh, like, I don't know, like, This guy has dragged me back to the mall for no reason. I was so tired. I was even like in the car sleeping. My wig was slipping back and everything. I was so exhausted. But we're not gonna be in here long. It's actually kind of empty compared to how it was yesterday. This is the same mall we came to yesterday. Yeah, it's actually pretty empty. So I'm not gonna show y'all this view because this is the same view that y'all seen yesterday, or that y'all going to see yesterday. Oh my God, y'all see my forehead? It's clearing up where I had that little bump at. It's because I'm in cold weather, because it's like when I'm in hot weather, that's when my face be breaking out. Like when I keep traveling back and forth to Dubai, my forehead go to like tearing up, but when I'm in London, it's like my skin do kind of better, I guess because of the weather. So, yeah, chicken. You see that? Y'all see them expertise skills? So you just dabbing it on there, not too much, just enough sauce. Yes. Don't blame me. I didn't get to show y'all the finishing touch of my makeup, but this is what it looks like. And this is all using Morphe products, Morphe and e.l.f. Can you stop recording me, please? Y'all, he lived through me. But yeah, so this is how my makeup came out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys want more makeup videos, then I'll do them. But y'all gotta get them views up, because if those views not right, then I'm not gonna be doing makeup tutorials. Because it seems like y'all enjoy my other videos more. So that's why I do the other videos. But yes, I hope you guys like this look. I was just trying to get a selfie on my phone, but I'm not too sure how it came out. So yeah, I don't know. I'm going here into the grocery store. And I've just totally messed up my hair trying to put on my jacket. Black jogger, my shirt and sneakers. And it's so good. They got Nutella and something. I just got cinnamon and sugar because I think that Nutella is too sweet, but cinnamon and sugar is so good. It's so fresh. And I like the way they got theirs because, like, hold on, y'all. We about to go over this pump. My camera. But it's like the way they got it. The bites, like the bites I know at my mall back home, like you will still get your clothes dirty or your hands dirty, but this the way they give it to you, it's like you don't mess up your clothes or nothing. It's so good. I should not be eating it. It's nighttime. Yeah, I have not. Hold on. I have not seen the sun, so we just leaving them on in this nighttime. I have not seen the sun once today. I've been up since about 9:30, and I haven't seen the sun once today. It was so foggy. It was so foggy when we got up. It was just like, what the? When he woke up, he thought I was tripping because I had asked him, like, what's up with y'all weather? Like, what's going on? I'm used to London being cold and gloomy, but not so early in the morning like that. Let's roll this back. Y'all might come showering down. Finish yours?
Mm-hmm.
I should have got one more before you finished it.
Don't be greedy.
I was gonna trade with you. I can make this at my house though. I can. Here's the dough, roll it. Little butter, you gotta melt the butter. Splat it on there like that. And then take the cinnamon and sugar like this. Very simple.
That's it.
So yeah, I'm sure I'm going home soon, so I'll check it out once I make it out. To come on here and end the vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed this day of Vlogmas. I'm gonna try to do some more stuff tomorrow. I'm going somewhere too, so it's dark in here. I kind of got off the lights, but yeah, I'm literally sitting here. All of my faves just uploaded. Kyra uploaded 1 hour ago, and I'm trying to stay low because my boyfriend is sleeping. Kyra just uploaded an hour ago. Aaliyah just uploaded 4 minutes ago. That's Aaliyah J. Aaliyah's face, I watched hers earlier. Neek's mom just uploaded. I like Neek's mom. She's cool. Bean Squad just uploaded. Who else? A lot of people just uploaded. Everybody, like, I guess everybody kind of doing the late thing to like give y'all footage in real time, which is what I'm trying to do too. But I don't think I'm gonna get caught up until, I don't know when I'm gonna get caught up, but I am editing the video right now. So, oh, what is going on? My video is not. Okay, so I have a video that's like, let me show you. So this is what I'm editing right now. So yeah, stay tuned. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in Vlogmas Day 8.